In the last episode, before Wolffy could harm Patty Goat, Jolly and the others came to save him. Jolly attacked Wolffy with everything he had, but Wolffy absorbed all of Jolly's power. With his incredible power, Wolffy wanted to take over the whole world. Will Wolffy succeed with his plan? How will the goats stop him now?
Pleasant Goat and Big Big Wolf, Great War in the Bizarre World, episode 58.
Long live King Wolffy! Long live the great King Wolffy!
It's time to show you what I can do.
It's the usual plan. Everybody run!
Your Majesty, all the goats have escaped. Shall I order the troops to go after them?
No need. You really think they can get away? Not this time.
His laughter sounds a bit like mine, right? Oh.
I thought you were meant to be really powerful. Why can't you pull this carriage?
Oh, you're going too far, bully.
So what if I bully you? You want to fight back? Oh, I guess I went a bit overboard. Let Wesley Goat go so I can get Darton to chase him. Wesley Goat, repeat after me. I'll be back to get you.
You think I'll say it just because you want me to? No! Never!
Really? We'll see about that. Say it now! Useless. We've only just started to play. I'm bored. Let's go to the prison and choose dinner.
Is my little baby going to be okay? I know that Wolfie wants to make him suffer.
Don't worry, Wesley goes with him, so he'll be fine. Right, Mom? No need to worry.
Yucky, 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 yucky.
Yeah, even if we're in trouble, they won't be finished so easily.
Yeah, Joni Goat's right. Until I've satisfied my anger, they won't have it so easy. Yeah? But I'm not sure about you, because I'm feeling a bit peckish right now.
If I can be of any service to the king, please eat me first.
You're way too skinny. You're barely even a snack to me. Once I'm finished with all these guys, then I'll eat you.
Thank you, my lord.
Let's see, who should I eat today? I think I'll have you today.
What? Why is it always me first?
What are you doing? You want to hypnotize me, old man?
Oh no, I wouldn't try that. I just want to show you what's written on my watch, you see. That's right. Look into my eyes, Wolfie. Can you see yourself reflected in my eyes?
Your Majesty, don't look into Mr. Slowy Goat's eyes.
Are you starting to feel sleepy?
Long live King Wolfie!
Take this tasty goat to the kitchen and have him cooked.
Your Majesty, you really want this cooked?
Well, of course I do. Why else would I give you that goat? What are you waiting for? Do you need some encouragement, huh?
No, Your Majesty, I'll cook this right away.
Yeah, but you better remember one thing.
What is it, Your Majesty?
You better not steal my food in the kitchen, okay? Even though this goat does taste a little bit strange, it still brings a warm feeling to my belly and really has a great crunchy texture. It's no wonder our ancestors loved eating goats so much.
So does this mean what we learned in school was all wrong?
Oh, I almost forgot. How can I have a feast like this without my wife? I'll just have another one tomorrow and call her then.
Are you all right?
What did Wolfie do to you guys?
Oh.
Wait, didn't I already eat this one just now? Why is he still here?
No, Wolfie, you're mistaken. That's Joni Goat, not Patty Goat. Just ask Timmy Goat.
Yes, my lord. That's Joni Goat, not Patty Goat.
Well, seeing as this is Joni Goat, then I'll have another.
Wolfie, what you're holding is not a goat, but a piece of wood. What you're holding now is not a little goat.
Sweetheart, the mutton stew's ready.
Welcome back, Your Majesty.
Oh, stop calling me Your Majesty. Let's just have this mutton stew together. The meat's so fresh. That's the best time to eat them while they're so full of juice.
Yes, Your Majesty. But Your Majesty, this isn't meat. This is wood.
So this isn't a little goat? Curse those goats. I'll have to teach them not to mess with me.
But Mr. Slowy, isn't it enough that you know it? Why do the rest of us have to learn it?
For your own good. If we're separated, then at least you can use it yourself.
It's way too late to learn it now.
But Wolfie, look to your right.
I told you it's useless. Yeah, none of your tricks will help you this time.
Goats with chicken and eggs. Delicious!
Yeah, sweetheart, you're absolutely right. But this time, you're not gonna be so lucky!
No, you can't hurt my mom!
Yeah, that's right. I'm back again. Whoopee, I'm gonna put a curse on you. And another curse too, for all your fun.
Stay where you are, or I'll eat her!